our clarion call was to make Meru great. And I've said Meru cannot be great when we are given money and we are not absorbing the money. That's the only issue. And to conclude, Chair, there was no intention of inciting the public or the people of Meru against him when I did.
It is true, we work together to improve governance and accountability in Meru County. And we are doing our best to do that. You yourself said, considering the auditor's report for the previous years and these years, there's a marked improvement. We are on an upward trend. But when you hear our colleague, the senator in Meru, he says the previous governor performed better than myself, although the reports have done better. Then secondary, this issue of absorption of funds, it's not correct. I would like my deputy governor to be given just half a minute.
Could we deal with it in the substantive audit? Because it's one of the issues arising.
We can deal with it, but it is also not true. We will be able to demonstrate when it comes to the figures and the numbers in the audit report.
Okay, because numbers don't lie.
Okay.